So Sneha and I were having pakoras today, and this story came to my mind at that time, and I thought I will share this with all of you. It's a beautiful story about Swami Vivekananda and his master Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So Swami Vivekananda, his name used to be Narendra before he became a monk, and he had met Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa in 1881 when he was in college. So young Narendra at that time used to be highly intellectual. He came from a very sophisticated family. He only understood things which were intellectual and logical, while Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was a very, very simple man. He lived a very simple life, and sometimes he used to behave a little eccentrically, like a lunatic. So while Narendra was drawn to him, but somehow he was not being able to accept him as his master. He had a lot of doubts about him. And Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was aware of this. So one day, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and the young Narendra, Vivekananda, were walking through the streets of Dakshineshwar in West Bengal. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was very fond of pakoras. So he asked Vivekananda to buy him some pakoras. Vivekananda, the young Narendra, was very confused. Just the day before, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa had given a discourse about Shraddha, about faith. And Ramakrishna Paramahamsa had spoken about it, and Vivekananda was already confused. How do I have faith? How do I have Shraddha on this person? On top of this, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa asked him to buy pakoras. So Vivekananda got more confused. He thought the Guru is supposed to be a person who is free from all cravings. And how can this man be fond of pakoras? Anyway, since the master has said it, he cannot disobey the master. So he went and bought pakoras and handed over the parcel to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. The moment Ramakrishna took the parcel, he told Narendra, I told you to get me pakoras. Why have you got me apples? Vivekananda was totally confused. He looked at the parcel again and said, but Thakur, this is pakoras. Ramakrishna said, no, you've got me apples. Vivekananda was at the end of his wits. Some of his Guru Bhais were standing next to the master. He showed the parcel to them and told them, please tell the master I've got him pakoras, not apples. The Guru Bhais saw in the parcel it was pakoras. But they knew if the master is behaving like this, there has to be a deeper meaning behind it. So they dared not to speak a single word. They remained quiet. For 2 to 3 minutes, Vivekananda tried to convince his master that what he had in the parcel was pakoras and not apples. After this 2-3 minute conversation, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa smilingly looked at Vivekananda and said, son, it does not matter whether it is pakoras or apples. What matters is, do you have faith on the words of your master? This could be pakoras, but if the master has said it is apples, then so be it. As Vivekananda heard these words, all his doubts vanished, and that very moment, he was able to surrender unconditionally to his master. So friends, they say Shraddha or faith is a wealth on the spiritual path, and it is one of the most important factors that can help us progress on this path. There is a beautiful shloka by Tulsidas, Sadguru Vaid Vachan Vishwasa. Have unconditional faith on the master. Those who have unconditional faith on the words of the master, they need not do any jap, tap or penance. The faith is enough to liberate them in this lifetime. Let me know how you like the story. Drop me a comment. And I will see you soon in another beautiful story. Jai Gurudev.